Value refers on how light or dark the color is. So in this one, in the saturation, intensity, kung gaano, what do you call this in Tagalog? I don't know the exact term or the Filipino term for the saturation, but to simply explain this, the saturation, it is the what kind or how much pressure did you apply when you color or when you use coloring materials. While in value, it refers how light or the dark color is. This one. Almost similar sila. So from this one, as you can see, for the saturation, it's just one color. But in value, as you can see here, it from dark, from black until green, light green. So it composed or it is it refers to how light or the dark the color is, but like two colors, or usually it is two colors, but sometimes of course three colors. You can see this one. Like it's an ombre effect. That that is the value. Okay, so this is the hue and the shade. You see? Okay, right. Okay, so as you can see, again, the hue, what is hue? It is the dominant color of an object. So this one, for the hue, it's green. I mean gray, sorry. Gray, red, like orange, yellow, green, blue, green, and then like purple. So what we're going to do is we're going to create shade, tone, and tint. So for our activity number 2, this is what we're going to do. This one. Ito yon. Wait lang. Okay, so now what I want you to do is you can create three square pababa vertically, three square sa paper nyo, and then what I want you to do is like this one. We're going to create tint, shade, and tone. So for our activity, wala kasi akong ano dito. Wait lang. I'm gonna show it to you. Wait. I'll show it to you. Para ano malinaw. Sa phone ko na lang.
Mhm.
Gonna show. Ay, for like, kita ba yung phone ko? Like, so what I wanted, tagalin ko lang yung background. Oh, sorry. Yan. As you can see in my phone, like this one, I want you to draw three square like this. Wait, I'll show you. This one, like this, patayo siya. Ganyan. And then, I want you to color it I want you to fill in each box with color red. Dapat ma-maximize yung buong space ng square. I want you to color it with red, like solid red. And then, what I want you to do is, for the first square, I want you to mix it with color white. And then for the second square, I want you to mix red with black. While the last one, I want you to mix it with the gray. Okay? Understood po? Okay po yung instruction? Okay, instruction. Naiintindihan po? Okay. So white, black, and gray. Okay?
Hindi ko fit.
Yes po, Xavier, sorry. You have question?
Paulit ko.
Okay. Ulit po. Okay, so what you're going to do is you will draw three box, something like this, vertically in your paper, and then you will color each box with red, fill it in, buong square ng red, lahat po yan, red, red, red. Three red box. And then, for the first box, di ba may red na siya? You already fill it in with red color red. What I want you to do is mix it with white color. And then, for the second box, I want you to mix it with color black. The red color, mix it with black. While the third box, na red din, mix it with gray. Understood po yung instruction po? Or do you still have question? Okay na po, Xavier po?
Excuse me, I have a question.
Yes po, sure po.
It's
Yes po.
okay to use any kind of red.
Yes. If you have like red, orange, something, basta nearest shade with red, it's fine.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Okay, welcome. Just ask me a question, okay? If in case I didn't notice that you raise your hand since ano kasi yung presentation sa screen ko, please just unmute and then just ask me, okay? Yes, Isabella, you have question po?
Or not, put it down. Okay, go by your color.
Sorry po.
Name is go by your color.
Yes po, you will mix two colors po. 'Di ba? Yung three colors, you have to yung three box po, you have to fill it in with red color. And then, once you color it with red, yung first box po na may color na red, you will mix it with white, with color white. And then, yung second po is black. And then, yung third po is gray. Okay?
Recording?
Opo. Yun lang. Yun lang.
Excuse me, is it okay to you to draw the squares with using pencil?
Yes po. Yes po. Yes, yes. Yes po, yes.
Mm, thank you. In my card.
Isa na. Sagot na. Oh, may isa na. Oo, oo, oo. Oh, ayan na. Naman. Oh, later. Later. I will give you kay later. Hmm. Yes. Yes, put it inside the house.
Another coin. Mommy, another coin. What else? Sorry. Here, coin.
Hindi yan, ano, inside.
Is Swiss okay, Faye? If my red looks a little pinkish?
Yes po. It's fine.
Open your box. Thank you.
You cannot close it now. It's too much. Come on, dun.
There.
Yes po. Yes po, you have question po. Ginawa nyo when you mixed it with a different with the color white, black and gray? What did you notice? Okay, Carla, you want to share something? What did you notice po?
When we were actually at the night, anyways, the when we mixed it with the white, white, black, and gray, the color changed to something different.
Okay, yes, very good. Good observation. How about the others? What did you notice? What did you observe? Would like to answer? What did you notice po? Aside from it created a different color. What did you notice when you mixed it? When you mixed red with different colors like white, black, and gray. What did you notice? What did you observe? Yes po, Connie. You want to share something po?
I noticed that when we mix the colors, it can get more beautiful.
Yes, very good observation, Connie. Yes, all of your answers are correct. As you can see, when you mix the red with white, it created you, pure you. And then when it created black, you will create shade. Tint. It's just a tint. And then for the tone, for the gray, when you added gray, it will just tone. Will tone it down. So some of you ask me, teacher, is it okay if it looks like pinker, my red like pinker? If I cannot see the gray anymore, I cannot see the black anymore. Again, that is the purpose of mixing it with a different, or that is the purpose of mixing the hue which is the dominant color, which is the red, with another color, which is the white, gray, and black. Para makakreate tayo ng tint, ng shade, tsaka ng tone. So, it's still red, but it's just that for this one, as you can see, it's tint because it's just a hint of the color red. While the shade, we will create, or we will add some shade in the color red. So, we can create, we will add black to the red color so we can create shade. So, parang shading natin siya, shading. And then with the tone, red, it's still red, but when you mix it with gray, you will create toned. Mas toned siya na gray, na red. This one, as you can see. Pero mukha siyang, it looks like brown, right? This one. Yes, it looks like brown, right? Okay, so for now, we will have a 10-minute break muna para later, para may lakas din kayo kasi gagawa kayo ng color wheel. So, yeah, before we'll take na po na ba tayong photo. Later na lang, once you go back, um, we will have our group photo. So now, we will just have a 10-minute break. But you can be back at 2:40. So, 13 minutes yon. So, mag-end na tong meeting. I'll send you another link sa group chat. And then, you'll just have to join. Austin, break muna tayo ng 10 minutes, okay? Please be back at 2:40, okay? You can turn off your cameras.